soon on YouTube. So you open an Excel sheet and you try to make changes. So for example, you change the hourly rate from $8.50 to $8.75. And as you can see, the total weekly pay does not change. You change the hourly rate 3 from $10 to $11, and the total weekly pay does not change when it should. Well, one of the main reasons why this may happen is because Excel might be in manual calculation mode. So to check to see if this is the case, go to Formulas, Calculation Options, and if it's in manual, change that to be automatic. As you can see now, it changes from $8.35 to $9, for example. The total weekly pay automatically changes. The budget changes from this $10,000 to $500. It goes from that number to over budget. So the benefit of manual calculations is that sometimes you have an Excel sheet that does tons of calculations and it can take 20-30 seconds for the calculations to run through. And the manual calculations makes it to where you can continue to work on your Excel sheet without having to wait 10, 20, 30 seconds every single time you change something for the calculations to update. Sometimes Excel will automatically switch from automatic to manual calculations just so it doesn't get so overwhelmed. But that's definitely the first thing to check to see if it's in automatic or manual. And if it is in manual calculations, please note that you can select F9, that you can press F9 for the calculations to work. Also, you can have Calculate Sheet, which just calculates the worksheet that you're working on, or Calculate Now, which calculates everything in the workbook. Also, there's another option which is automatic except for data tables. So which basically means that if you make a change, everything else will update except for the tables. So I really hope that this was helpful. And please let me know if it was. Like, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, advice, let me know. Hope you'll have a great day.